Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible now, Professor Abhishek?
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. And sir, what about my screen? Is it visible now?
Yeah, so we can start.
Yeah, okay, fine. So I hope all the maximum participants are in, and our speaker, Mr. Shyam Petkar, is also with us. So we'll start our session, right, Professor Abhishek?
Okay, sir, we can start.
Yeah.
You can proceed. A very good afternoon to all. Myself, Professor Abhishek Gupta, Department of Chemical Engineering, as well as Department of Environmental Science and Engineering in Marwadi University, Rajkot. Once again, I would like to welcome you all for this webinar titled Skill-Based Approach for Engineering Graduate, organized by Marwadi University for students which are going to be graduate or which are pursuing their post-graduation and want to have a career in this field. With us, we are having Dr. Ritesh Palkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Marwadi University, and our eminent speaker. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. With us, we are having our eminent speaker with us, who will be telling you about this. So I would like to call Dr. Ritesh Palkar for his brief introduction to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Professor Abhishek, for this warm welcome to all the participants as well as our today's eminent speaker, Mr. Shyam Petkar. So our today's discussion will be on the skill-based approach for engineering graduates as discussed by Professor Abhishek, where we'll have a different blocks like planning, presenting, building, validating, and skill-based approach. So on behalf of we are the coordinators for this webinar series organized by Department of Chemical Engineering and Environment Science and Engineering, Faculty of Technology, Marwadi University, Rajkot, Gujarat, India. So today's our speaker is Mr. Shyam Kumar Petkar. I would like to take this opportunity to heartily welcome our today's speaker, Mr. Shyam Kumar Petkar, who has completed his BTech in chemical engineering. Currently, he is pursuing his degree in general management from IIM Lucknow. So moving forward about the work experience, Mr. Shyam Petkar is having almost 10 plus years of experience in process design, engineering, erection, and commissioning. Currently, he is working as project leader as Tetra Pak India Limited. Initially, while starting his career, he worked as GET production in Pearls Polymers Limited, Kurkum, Pune. After that, working as a GET for a year or so, he moved to Praj Industries India Limited, Pune, which is one of the dream company for any process engineer. So after working for 3 or 4 years, he then moved to the Tetra Pak India, Pune, where he is having responsibilities in dairy and beverage field in order to have a project leader. He is continuing for that post from last 4 years, 7 months. So looking for his work profile, I feel this will be the one of the ideal work profile for any chemical engineer or process engineer. So sir is working as in the field of project management, process design engineering. He has also he is also having his keen interest in production, commissioning, site management, and new product deployment. Mr. Shyam Petkar is a business expert in PLC, that is product life cycle and quality technical issue management. About his achievements, Mr. Shyam Petkar has completed more than 10 domestic and international greenfield projects. He has commissioned almost 20 plus beer manufacturing plants across almost in all states in India. for Kingfisher and Saab Miller Namibia and Henken Myanmar. He is right now working with Tetra Pak as dairy and beverages field as order project leader. Mr. Shyam Pitkar is having vast experience in operations and project management for global orders, including engineering, production, logistics, and new product transfer. Looking for the achievements, he worked with different clients like Kingfisher, Saab Miller Namibia, and Henken Myanmar. So he was praised by these customers for his being excellent communicator and solution driver. Mr. Shyam was particularly appreciated in 2018 for driving 100 plus orders simultaneously and delivering 96% delivery accuracy, managing vigorously to the all over India and globe to the customers, and taking the follow up and keeping internal teams to a good spirit. And Mr. Shyam is also appointed as business expert and has given responsibility of customer issue resolution. So with this brief discussion, I want to welcome Mr. Shyam Pitkar. Apart from this, he is having different, let's say, achievements which time may not permit to give me all the discussion and to discuss about him. So now I feel it's time to move to our eminent speaker, Mr. Shyam Pitkar, who will discuss about skill-based approach for engineering graduates. So I take this opportunity to call upon this virtual dais, Mr. Shyam Pitkar, project leader at Tetra Pak India Limited. Welcome, sir, and you can start sharing your PPT.
Yeah,